Hello friends, welcome to my channel Shesa's Crochet. In this tutorial we are going to see how to crochet a hairband. It is very easy and beautiful also, so please keep watching. For this project I have here the green color yarn and the hairband. If you have the hairband you can use, or you can take the elastic, whichever you have. And let's start this project with the magic ring. And the hook size which I'm going to use here is 2.5 mm. Let's start this project with the magic circle. For that we'll keep the yarn over your finger, wrap around your finger, and then insert the hook under the first yarn, and then pull the second one, pull up, slowly turn, and then leave the ring, come out. You can hold like this, yarn over, pull through. That is the first chain. That is to secure the magic ring. Then we will do 3 chains, 1 2 3. We are going to do 12 double crochet stitches inside this circle. Let's do yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, pull up the yarn over first 2 and the second 2. Again yarn over, insert the hook into the circle, pull up the yarn over, pull through first 2 and the second 2. Now we will consider this 3 chain as a double crochet. So we got 1 2 3 double crochets. We have to do totally 12. Now we have here 12 double crochet stitches. Let's close this circle by pulling this yarn, and then we are going to slip stitch into the chain, that is here on the top of the third chain. We'll do a slip stitch. This is round 1. For the round 2 we are going to do 5 chain, 1 2 3 4 5, and then we'll skip the next space or the chain, and we are going to do into the third chain here a double crochet, yarn over, pull to 2 and the 2, then chain 2, again skip the next one, into the third one we'll do a double crochet. So let's continue this round with this sequence. Chain 2, into the third chain we are going to do a slip stitch. So we have finished round 2 also. For the round 3 let's do chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then into the same space we are going to do a double crochet here, into the same double crochet, 1 2, and then into the second space we'll do a double crochet, 1, then chain 2, again into the same space we'll do a double crochet. So we are going to do into each space a double crochet, chain 2, again 1 double crochet, and then into the space we will do a slip stitch, that's chain 2, last stitch we will do inside this a slip stitch. For the round 4 let's do chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, and then double crochet into the same space, 1 double crochet, and then chain 2, 1 double crochet into the same space, Then we are going to continue double crochet into the next space, chain 2, double crochet, again chain 2, double crochet into the same space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet. So we'll continue this way. This is how we are going to continue the entire round. For the last stitch, let's slip stitch into the space and then chain 5, 1 2 3 4 5, double crochet inside the space, and then chain 2, double crochet inside the same space, again into the next space, 1 double crochet, chain 2, again 1 more double crochet into the same space. So let's continue double crochet, chain 2, again double crochet into the same space. For the next round, let's slip stitch into the space and then chain 4, 1 2 3 4, yarn over into the same space, 1 double crochet, again into the next space, yarn over into the space, 1 double crochet, chain 1, 1 more double crochet. So into each space we are going to do 1 double crochet, chain 1 and 1 double crochet, yarn over. Here I have finished this round. Now if you want to continue, like if you want the bigger size, you can continue with the same pattern, double crochet, 1 chain and double crochet into again in each space. Now we are going to attach the elastic here. So for that I have here the band, hair band. Let's slip stitch into the next space and then chain 1. We'll keep this hairband like this way, and then we are going to do this, insert the hook into this and then into the next stitch under the 2 loop, and you can see the V, insert the hook and pull up the yarn to a single crochet. Into each chain we are going to do the single crochet, insert the hook under this and then into the stitch, pull up the yarn like this. We are going to attach this hairband into this hairband. Here we have finished the last stitch also. This is the last stitch. We are doing the single crochet and then chain 1. Let's snip off the yarn. Now we want to weave these excess yarns inside. For that, let's grab the needle and then we will weave inside. This is the last stitch. We are doing the single crochet and then chain 1. Let's snip off the yarn. Now we want to weave these excess yarns inside. For that, let's grab the needle, and then we will weave inside. Now our hair bun is ready. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please hit the like button, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.